Sonky Valley Transparency. I'm here in Fresno at the courthouse. I'm with Tulare County Cop Watch, Nate's Gates 182. We're doing a First Amendment audit. Let's see if they respect our right to record in public.
Presiding judge, these are the rules that pertain to this facility. You are currently standing on state property. There is a court order from the court that says that you cannot record, and it's done for the privacy of the people coming in and out of this building.
You can't take the heat. Get out of that kitchen.
Come on, let's get something to drink. Come on.
Yeah.
You can't have a video camera in here. You can't film inside here.
Isn't it open to the public?
No, you can't film inside the video.
Oh, the courthouse, the lobby.
It is, but you can't because of court rules. The judge has decided he's not allowing to film inside. So if you guys can step out.
That's weird.
Yep.
That's only supposed to be for the court.
That's in the courtroom in general. You cannot. You can't film it.
Hey, what is there a supervisor I could talk to, guys?
There's a court order right there.
Read the court order. We have
Court order.
So what is the constitution?
Deputy. Hey, deputy. Oh, I'm guessing he's calling the supervisor. Sir.
Come on in. Any water in, sir?
Outside of the courthouse.
Hey, are you gonna send a supervisor to talk to us?
We are.
Perfect.
Come talk to you guys.
All right, cool, man. Thank you.
If we stay, will you arrest us? You wait outside?
Yeah.
If you're filming in the
Yeah, they're on the way right now, guys. Yeah, you will arrest us?
if you're filming in the building, yes.
We'll confiscate it. All right, we'll leave under duress, man. We'll leave under duress. This way. You want to
So they threatened to arrest us if we didn't leave. So under the threat of arrest, we walked outside, and they're actually gonna make us leave off the little area in the front as well. They want us to go on the sidewalk. It's like we are rewinding time. Like, what the hell, is this my first audit? How come these deputies, and I'm sure that they've seen these videos, and do they not see the educational value behind the videos and behind all the screaming and yelling and the FUs and the this and that? I mean, we're people just basically demanding our rights. We have questions that need answered, and this is what's going on. They're having it already in a way where you can't find out what's going on in the government. They can steal your money, and they can take your tax dollars, and they can, buy themselves an extra something and then just write it off as they used it on you. It's pretty sad. Anyways, here you go.
remember what you took an oath for.
How you doing? Oh. Here, come on in, go.
Let's go, guys. So they threatened us with arrest. They said they will arrest us.
They pretty much said they'll arrest us if we don't come outside, so just gonna wait out here for a little bit. I'm not trying to get arrested, man. Oh, what's up?
Hey, how you doing?
What's up, buddy?
You looking for a supervisor?
Yeah, that be you?
Yep.
What was your name and badge number?
Sergeant Veneman. ID is
Veneman.
7601.
7601. Cool. Yeah, I was just gonna go inside there and just do a follow up on a story, and I guess this guy and a couple other guys came. And
Yeah, we have a court order by the presiding judge. No
order.
videotaping.
But isn't that supposed to be just for the courtroom where the judge is?
Nope.
That's that's your guys' policy, right?
No. It's an order
It's
by the
an
presiding
order.
judge.
Right.
Pardon me?
Order means policy, right? She has a policy.
No. It's an order from the judge. Presiding judge.
Are there pamphlets inside, like open for the public, like for public information?
Are you looking for a copy of the rules?
Yeah, just
on the
just like
website.
public information, like just for instance, like whatever you need. For instance, court stuff, traffic, or whatever, you know.
Well, what are you looking to do?
Just public information.
You can get a lot of public information on the website.
No, but from in here, from inside the building.
Well, be more specific and I can tell you whether it's available or not.
But see that, for instance, let's say I was just really curious about what goes on in here, and let's say my mom was at home and kind of ill, and she couldn't come herself, right? And let's say we didn't have any internet, so let's say I needed to come in here and get some
Okay,
pamphlets.
so are
or-
you curious or is your mom curious?
Me, I'm curious for someone else.
You're curious for somebody else?
Yes, for information here. So in other words, what I'm getting at is we have the Constitution that allows us to go get public information. And
Sure.
what's allowed for us with the eyes and all that, so
Sure.
that I can take it with my brain that's recorded and registered.
You're
I can
welcome
take
to
it,
come inside,
I can,
sir.
Hold on, I could take it
There's
back
just
to
no
my mom.
videotaping.
Yeah, in other words, sometimes we have to do stuff like this because sometimes policy and court orders and all that is unlawful and unconstitutional. That's why we have to come over here and stick our foot in the doors, and then you guys have to come, and then we have guys like this with like a really curious face and like befuddled and all that, and so you guys don't understand what's going on. And it would amaze you to watch our channels and to find out how many deputies and officers, and we got 2 stripes over here, don't know the law. You know what I mean? And in reality, what's going on here is an education for you guys to know. And you 3 stripes, man. You've been here long enough. You should know this. All right.
I know. I'm just trying to tell you what the law is. You asked for a supervisor. I
Actually,
came out here.
actually,
I
that's
explained it to
not
you.
law. That's policy, and you guys are enforcing policy. And
Yeah,
that's why we're here.
Okay.
For your education,
A
sir.
court order, a violation is an arrestable offense.
A court
We
order.
enforce the law.
So what's the
Okay?
First Amendment mean then?
Yeah.
Can you tell me
Are you guys clear on it?
what does the First Amendment mean?
Did you get a copy of it?
If you folks want to go over there and you have cell phone access or go on the internet, you can go to the Fresno County Superior Court. You can look up the local court rules. Within the local court rules, under section 1.1.17, it addresses recording devices.
148.2
That's right. Anything
Sir,
is public
by
accessible.
order of the presiding judge, these are the rules that pertain to this facility. You are currently standing on state property. There is a court order from the court that says that you cannot record, and it's done for the privacy of the people coming in and out of this building. In and out of this building, we have a lot of families coming in here with children and everything else. They want their privacy protected. They don't want to be blasted on YouTube, so that's what this court order is. As long as you want to stand over there and record from over there across the street or whatever, and you're not on state property, you're welcome to do so. But as long as you're interfering with the business of this building and the people going in here, then yes, you could be subject to arrest for violating the court order.
So what you're saying is, if we don't get off this
Sir,
property right here.
every constitutional right has limits. Just like on First Amendment, I'm not allowed to yell fire in a crowded theater or I can be arrested. That is a limitation on First Amendment freedom.
You can't take the heat. Get out of that kitchen.
Yell fire in a crowded theater or I can be arrested. That is a limitation on First Amendment freedoms.
We don't get arrested. Are you guys threatening us if we right now to get off of this right here?
Right now you're on state property. If you move over to the sidewalk, you will be off state property. You can film all you want.
All right, this is
Okay.
all
So you're-
we're gonna move
wait.
we're gonna leave under duress.
You're above him in rank.
Yes, sir.
So, do you agree that this also is
state property.
not public property? So you're saying that this right here is not public accessible,
That's
public
included
property?
in the rules. Would you like a copy of them?
We'll leave because you guys are threatening to arrest us. Especially this guy's red. His eyes are red, and he should be drug tested. What was your name and badge number, sir?
Deputy Aslan, badge number 306.
All right. What was your sir?
Our case, badge 701.
All right, we'll leave because you guys are threatening to arrest
good
us.
day.
But
Thanks for your
if you guys
cooperation.
find out that
Thank
you
you.
guys are wrong, I would expect an
Feel free
apology.
to get an attorney, file any civil suit you like.
Strain yourself up, sir. Hydrate yourself.
You guys call tyrants right there. They don't honor their oath. Court of protect and all.
Fresno County Courthouse is a fail. Looks like we need some more people to come down here.
They had zero clue what they wanted.
Those guys were butt hurt like crazy. The butt hurt was real on this one. Eyes are red, tempers, man. Yeah, these guys are ready to go hands-on and arrest us.
Yeah, they were.
They're ready to go hands-on and arrest
They
us,
were.
dude. You tell the cops in there they're punks. Thank you.
Now one of the dark overlords of the universe. The laser beam made the nexus of Summonus. It lies beyond the planets. It is a region of demons.
If you could tune back into reality for a second.